Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
Good morning, sir. Subax wanaagsan mudane. How can I help you? Maxaa ka caawiyaa?
Well, I bought a dress for my wife yesterday, but she did not like it. May I return it?
Well, hagaag, I bought a dress for my wife yesterday. Waxaan shalay dhar u soo gaday xaaskayga, but laakiin she did not like it. Yacni kamaysan helin. May I return? Ma soo celi karaa?
I am afraid you cannot return it, but you can change it for another one.
I'm afraid you cannot return it. Waxaan ka baqayaa inaadan soo celi karin, but you can change it. Waa iska bedeli kartaa for another one. Mid kale ayaad ku bedeli kartaa.
This dress did not fit her, is it right?
This dress did not fit her. Dharkaani kuma filna ayada. Is it right? Sax soo maaha.
No, she did not like the color. Is this the only color you have?
No, maya, يعني wuu la eg yahay laakiin she did not like its color. Colorka kamaysan helin. Is this the only color you have? Kani colorka kaliya aad haysa miyaa?
What color does she like?
What color does she like? Color noocee ayay jeceshahay?
She likes yellow. Do you have it?
She likes yellow. Do you have it? Waxay jeceshahay colorka jaalaha ma haysaa?
Yes, sir. Please wait for a while.
Yes, sir. Haa mudane. Please wait for a while. Xooga isug fadlan.
Here is the dress, sir. I hope she will like it.
Here is the dress, sir. Waa kan dharka mudane. I hope she will like it. Waxaan rajaynayaa inay ka heli doonto.
Do you want to choose anything else? A pair of shoes?
Do you want to choose anything else? Ma rabtaa inaad wax kale u qaado? A pair of shoes? Joog kaba ma u qaadaysaa?
That is a good idea.
That's a good idea. Taas waa fikrad fiican.
So, do you know her size?
So, do you know her size? Ma taqaanaa cabirkeeda?
Let me see. I think it is a size 37.
Let me see. Aan fiiriyo. I think it is size 37. Waxaan u maleynayaa waa cabir 37 ah.
What color does she like?
What color does she like? Color noocee ayay ka heshaa ayada?
She often wears black shoes.
She often wears badanaa waxay xirataa black shoes, kabaha madow.
Okay. I will give a pair of black shoes in size 37.
Okay, I will give you a pair of black shoes in size 37. Waxaan ku sii doonaa joog kaba cabirkoodu yahay 37.
What do you think about these?
What do you think about this? Sidee kula yihiin kuwan? Waxaa loo keenay kabihii oo dalbaday.
They look so beautiful. I guess my wife will love them immediately.
They look so beautiful. Aad ay u qurux badan yihiin. I guess my wife will love them. Waxaan qiyaasayaa in xaaskaygu ka heli doonto immediately si dhaqsiya.
In case they do not fit her, may I change for others?
In case they do not fit her, lacala hadday ku filnaa waayaan, may I change for others? Kuwo kale ku bedeli karaa?
Yes, but you should change for ones with equal or higher prices, sir.
Yes, but laakiin you should change for ones waa inaad ku bedelataa kuwa with equal or higher price isku qiimaha ah, sir mudane.
Okay. How much do I have to pay for these shoes?
Okay, how much imisa do I have to pay for these shoes aan ka bixiyaa kabahan?
$40, sir.
$40, sir. $40 mudane.
Okay. Here you are.
Okay, here you are. Waatan ho.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Maalin wanaagsan.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mahadsanid.